FlexxCool is an automated coolant delivery system that keeps CNC machine sumps full and at the right concentration. Coolant is a mixture of water and concentrate that's used during the manufacturing process. The amount of concentrate added to water will result in a different concentrate percentage. Each machine in a facility can require a different target concentration. While machines are running and making parts, the coolant in the machine sump needs to be topped up multiple times. Historically, this is a manual process done by a person bucket filling each machine. Not only does this take time away from machining, but manually filling leads to concentrate percentages being inconsistent and the target not being met. An incorrect concentration percentage leads to many issues like foaming or decreased part quality and surface finish. The FlexxCool system automatically keeps CNC machine sumps full and at the correct concentration. By monitoring sump levels, FlexxCool recognizes that a top-up is needed. Then, our patented mixing process creates the unique top-up concentration for that specific machine and delivers it to the sump. Keeping a sump at the correct concentration eliminates up to 80% of coolant-related issues. In addition to increasing profitability, facilities also experience increased tool performance and extended lifespan of their metal working fluid. Contact us today to learn how FlexxCool can improve your manufacturing facility.